Hello everyone, in this exercise of the Solidworks we will understand about mechanical mat. Today we will only discuss about the slot mat and the hinge mat in Solidworks assembly. Okay, let's start. In the previous exercises we have understood all the standard mats and the advanced mats. Now we will understand only the mechanical mats in this exercise. File, let's start. File, new, assembly, and okay. Okay, this is the assembly window. I am cancelling this one. You can browse the part from here, and I am taking the slot made. I made a part. Open it, this one. This part coming without clicking in the graphic area. I have already explained in go in the view adapt tool. This is the visibility of, and click this view horizon, and again click on this one and coincide it here. So the part is at the center of assembly, and gives origin of the part. You will see there is the origin of the part here. This one, this origin and this origin and the assembly are at coinciding. Okay, now I am off this origin. Okay, this is the assembly. Now I bring another part. In the assembly, I am selecting the background plain white. Okay. Insert component and cancel it. Again, I am browsing from here. Same window comes here. I am selecting a 12 mm pin. I made as per slot size. Plate for 12 mm pin. This one. Open it. You can, this small window comes at the bottom. You can rotate about x axis, y, z axis per requirement in order to locate it in proper position. Okay, I am clicking this one. Okay, now mat, in the standard mat, if I take tangent mat, this one, and select this face and this face, any face of this is tangent, and click OK and cancel it. But this part is tangent, but this is moving beyond the slot. Okay, I am cancel this one. Now I am taking, yes, mat. Under mechanical mat you will find there is mat, slot mat. Click this one, free constraint, hinge mat, no sorry, slot mat. I am selecting, this window comes in this window. You can select this face and any face of the slot. This one, this is the slot mat, and I am hit the right button and cancel it. You will see the part is moving beyond this one, but this part is up and down moving. So in order to avoid this this thing, what I will do my mate. In the advanced mate, I will do mate, advanced mate. This is a width mate. This phase and this phase, and in the tab section select this phase and this phase, this one, and hit the right button. At this time, this part is between this half portion is up and half portion is same. So this part is at center of this face, Okay, now cancel it. Mat, this mat is the, if you will see, this part is moving this one, this way. Mat, this is the slot mat. If I edit it, this one, you will see there is constraint is there are different option. Free, center in slot. You want to keep it center in slot. Now it will, this one, edit it. You want to keep it at a center in slot. This one, hit the right button. Now part is fixed at the center. This one. Okay. Cancel. Again, edit it. There is one another option. Distance along slot. You can move it. Suppose I take the distance 30 mm or 30 mm, and this one I hit right button. The part moves at a distance of 30 mm. Okay. Slot, this one, distance along slot. This is 30 mm. this one. The part moves at a distance of 30 mm. Or you can edit it, and there is another option, flip direction. Now it moves from other side 30 mm. Okay. Now there is another option, percent along slot. You can give the distance in percentage. Suppose I move 40% or 20%, you can give it this one. So the part, hit the right button, cancel it, this part is moved. Now it is fixed. Okay. Again, this one, editing, free. In free condition, the part is rotation, this one. Part is rotating, this one rotating. You want to avoid this thing, how, what I will do, this one, edit it. There is one option, lock rotation. You can this one and this one. Now it is not rotating, this one. So in this way you can use the mat as per your requirement in the assembly section. Okay, I am cancelling. Don't save it. Now I will discuss about Hinge mat. File, new, I am taking in assembly. Okay, I am taking another part. Cancel it. From here you can select this is Hinge mat. First open it, this one. This part is coming same. Go in the above view adapt, this one, and again click there and coinciding this one. Now off the view origin, this one. Okay, first part is fixed. First part in the assembly always remains fixed. So if you right click on this one, you will see float option. You want to keep it float, you can float it, but I don't want. Okay, and this one, and background you can plain white. Now insert component. In order to bring another component, click on insert component, cancel it, browse. From the required path you can select this, open it. Suppose you want to rotate about x-axis, this one, y-axis, you can rotate it and click it. You can click it, but I don't want to rotate it. I click in the graphic area, this one. Now mat, I will discuss Hinge mat. Under mechanical mat there is another slot I have already discussed. This is the Hinge mat. Hinge mat, there are two windows, small boxes comes. Concentric means this one. So this is the concentric. Concentric means center of this and center of this will coincide, will be one line. Coincidence, you will see if this box, click, and this face and this face, this one. But there is another option also here. There is another option, specify angle limits. This one, click this one. Now another box comes here. This is the 0 degree. 0 degree, present angle is 0 degree at this time. So, but I want to keep it 0, this one, and 180 degree, this angle, 180. Okay, and select the face. I am selecting this face and this face, and hit the right button, this one. You will see this one, 0 and 180 degree. 0, 180 degree. In this way you can give the direction. Okay, suppose this edit, suppose you give this 0 and you give, suppose you give any minus. This minus 90 and 180, minus 90 and 180. In this way you can give the direction also. In this way, this angle mat, advanced limit angle, I already discussed in the advanced mat. So I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe this channel. You please subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching. Thank you very much.